Hey everybody, Cartersville Computers Plus got a back to school promotion for everybody. We are looking at giving away 100 backpacks with some school supplies loaded. All right, this is a huge goal for us. I got multiple people that don't think it's possible. So I need your help. Help me reach out to the community, let everybody know. We know that there's kids in need. We want to help fill that. All right, there's no reason for a kid to go without while we have 100 backpacks ready to go and loaded up. This will be the backpack that we're giving away. As far as the contents of the backpack, we're finalizing that now and getting our orders placed. All right, be the first weekend of August. All right, we want to have 100 backpacks given away by August 6th, so that way these kids are ready for school and take some of that stress off of the parents. Give us a call if you have any problems or questions. Phone number is 678-385-4515. We are located at 900 North Tennessee Street, Cartersville, Georgia.